long, long. Meaning, having great length. Sentence, the road is long. Heavy, heavy. Meaning, having a lot of weight. Sentence, this bag is heavy. Light, light. Meaning, not heavy. Sentence, the box is light. Thick, thick. Meaning, having a large distance between sides. Sentence, the book is thick. Thin, thin. Meaning, not thick. Sentence, the paper is thin. Wide, wide. Meaning, having a large width. Sentence, the river is wide. Narrow, narrow. Meaning, not wide. Sentence, the street is narrow. Deep, deep. Meaning, extending far down. Sentence, the lake is deep. Shallow, shallow. Meaning, not deep. Sentence, the water is shallow. Full, full. Meaning, containing as much as possible. Sentence, the glass is full. Empty, empty. Meaning, having nothing inside. Sentence, the bottle is empty. Smooth, smooth. Meaning, having an even surface. Sentence, the table is smooth. Rough, rough. Meaning, not smooth. Sentence, the wall is rough. Warm, warm. Meaning, a little hot. Sentence, the water is warm. Cool, cool. Meaning, a little cold. Sentence, the evening is cool. Fresh, fresh. Meaning, new and clean. Sentence, the air is fresh. Dry, dry. Meaning, not wet. Sentence, the clothes are dry. Wet, wet. Meaning, covered with water. Sentence, the floor is wet. Bright, bright. Meaning, full of light. Sentence, the room is bright. Dark, dark. Meaning, having little light. Sentence, the sky is dark.